Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here again with lovely Pinky.
Hello, welcome to Modern Luxury House One Story. Where we are now?
We are near Chak Nok Lake. It's actually a very nice lake, similar as Maprashan Lake. This Chak Nok Lake closer to Jomtien. You can reach like a Jomtien within 10 minutes drive. A lot of nice restaurants around here.
The house are like one-story house with 4 bed, 5 bath. The land size 540 square meter, a living space 429 square meter. And the house design is really nice, just new complete.
Yes, and the house also comes like a fully furnished. And I think now we should check it out inside. Let's have a look. Follow us.
And here is the entrance of the house, like walking entrance. Here's car garage. So you have automatic car garage with a remote control.
So it's fully enclosed, so no dust can come inside this garage.
You can park 2 cars and some motorbike.
Car garage is 7 by 9 meters, enough for 2 cars and some motorbikes. And then on the right hand side we have walkway to the rooftop terrace. You can do some like a chill out and some barbecues.
Yes.
And then over here will be the main entrance. Basically also have digital door lock. So if you always forget your key, you just need to remember the password.
That's nice. And you also can entrance from here, the glass door.
Well, and here we are having the living room. Even living room comes with 4.5 meter high ceiling. So more space for your chandeliers.
Yes, this is the nice part to have high ceiling living room. You know, it's look really grand inside your living room. And of course you can decorate with beautiful, nice chandelier.
Yes, and also they have very large space here for the living room. This, I would say it's almost like a G-shape sofa, not L-shape anymore. Now it's a G.
Yes, and you have kind of bed at the sofa attached, so you can easily lie down, relax, watching TV and movie. So it's really big G-shaped sofa.
You also have here the walkway outside to like access the garden and access the rooftop terrace as well. We have here the space with like a nice marble style backdrop. Large TV is already included in the price, and then storage space here below for the TV counter, as well as much more storage space above. I don't know who's tall enough for this storage space, but probably you will need a share.
I just think about that.
Yeah. And then over here we have the guest toilet.
So the guest toilet even come with shower room, toilet and sink. The sink is beautiful design, marble style. It's lovely, quite new style. And yes, when your guests come and you need more bathroom, toilet, of course, here is good, also shower.
And over here is the European kitchen. We have like a very large kitchen counter, kitchen island.
Yes, the good part is you can prepare the food. When you have small party for your friend, you can use this one, serve the food, let's say.
Yeah, serve some like a tapas, cold cuts here, serve the drinks. And even if you're like a cooking in the kitchen, you can still like turn around, talk with your friends and have a glass of wine. So it's nice. Even they have 4 bar stools here, so it's a quite big kitchen island.
Right, so you can serve drink or make as a breakfast bar.
And also the chandelier on top here even features some like wine glasses.
Yes, yes, smart idea.
Exactly. And over here we have Hefele electric stovetop, top and hood, of course. All on top you have a lot more storage, and also below a lot more storage. You have here also white and yellow marble kitchen countertop. And we also have here, it's nice, built-in Hefele microwave and built-in Hefele oven as well. And you also have your like a dedicated space for the refrigerator. This one is like a double door fridge.
So you have quite big space of European kitchen. Not enough, you also have Thai kitchen over there. So you have more storage here for your kitchen equipment. And you have more Thai kitchen zone where you can really cook like food. Thai cooking style, as we know, we need like a gas cooking. You also have hood, sink here, and quite good space. This door you can access to outside of the house.
And what I really like is that you also can close here the doors.
Yes,
you can keep it
important.
separate. We're not finished with the living room. So basically here we have dining table enough for 10 persons. So you can really use this space for throwing a party.
This is quite long table. I would say even 3.2 meter long table. It's really nice and long table.
Of course, you have another chandelier space here as well. So you can put like a long chandelier because of the high ceiling. And then also from the living room, you can access directly to the swimming pool. So this swimming pool can be accessed from the living room and also from the master bedroom. You have a swimming pool 3 by 6 meters inside of the house, so you have like a lot of more privacy.
Right.
You also have here like an open space, so like a skylight. You have here a terrace for relaxing. You even have some area there for like a martini seat.
Nice part to have like swimming pool inside the house, so you have your privacy, like full of privacy. You can even naked to swim.
As long as you don't have any guests in the living room. But yes, I get this idea. It's nice. Over here, we got another area for laundry room even. We have like a separate laundry room.
Yeah, so you even got washing machine, dry machine. Of course, this is the counter for your laundry stuff, ironing, and you have the clothes hanging.
Yes. And here you can even access around the garden. So they have a walkway all around the house to access all the garden.
This is the pump room and electric room.
And then here we are coming to the first bedroom, which is on this house is converted into like a private home office.
Yeah, so there are 4 bedrooms. Actually, this one make to be office, but you can of course change to be a bedroom or some other room.
It's nice, but it's a very nice space here for an office because you even have like a garden view, some more garden around. You can also have here the sliding doors, and you can go to your own private garden. And even this room also, because it's basically a bedroom, also comes with an ensuite bathroom. So you have like a fully equipped bathroom with a sink, a rain shower and a toilet. So you can easily convert it into another bedroom.
Second bedroom, maybe for guests.
Yes, this is not even the master, so stick around until the end for the master bedroom, which is of course the nicest one.
So you have working table here, face to swimming pool, where you can work and see the swimming pool. You have quite spacious bedroom where you can really walking around.
Yes.
You have built-in TV for your TV. Wardrobe, many door, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, and even above you have
even
more.
Above. Yeah, so I think it's enough for your clothes and stuff. The color come with wood, color, design.
Everything comes already with all the built-in furniture.
Right, this is vanity table, bathroom, so you get everything. The shower room here.
And from the living room you can also access to another part of the house where we have 2 more bedrooms. The first bedroom here in this part of the house is another guest bedroom. Also, of course, comes with like an ensuite bathroom, everything inside. Comes also here like with a working desk / vanity table.
Wardrobe with LED light.
And of course, king size bed with bedside tables, of course. Windows facing to the outside. Here, this window facing actually to the garage. So if you are a car lover and you have nice cars, then probably this is a good bedroom.
Yeah, good bedroom fit for you.
Yes. And now we guys bring you to the master bedroom, of course, the nicest one. We just go all around. It's like quite like a private walkway here to the master bedroom. To the left-hand side, you also have access to the garden. To the right-hand side, you have access to the swimming pool, as we mentioned before. And then inside here, the walkway leads you all the way to the master bedroom.
Wow. Okay, you have like little bit bigger space. And you have nice view of the garden.
And of the swimming pool to that side.
You have big walk-in wardrobe.
And even this one headboard here with like a LED lighting. Also 2 bedside tables. A lot of space around.
I would say working table. And another side is vanity table.
You have nicer because have the LED light around the mirror. and you also get some more like a natural light from the outside. So this one is the vanity, and over there working this.
This one is master bathroom. You have shower room separate with the bathtub. You have beautiful bathtub on this side, so you can even see swimming pool. You can just open the windows and you will have swimming pool view. And this is my bathtub with jacuzzi function. And of course the sink and toilet same color as other room, but the size of the bathroom is bigger.
Alright guys, so this was it about this like a beautiful 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa here in Chak Nok Lake. 15.5 million for the price, including all the furniture.
Yes, everything. Wallpaper, curtain as well. The land size, again 540 square meter and living space 429 square meter.
Yes, we put the link in the video description below. So guys, if you enjoy this luxury house for sale in Pattaya, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. See you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.